Welcome to week 2 in online marketing. Just a reminder, here's your daily announcements and communications. You can tell I've already added a few announcements. If you need to request a meeting with me or a phone call, please do so using this form if that is ever needed. And make sure that you have completed all the things in each of these pages as we start week 2. You had, I think, 4 grades. You were to do the scavenger hunt. As you went through all these pages, you were to sign up for Remind and send me a text. You were to do the 2 activities here under Student Introduction. And that was it. That was all you had. And your course glossary is here. So, just a few reminders. And as you can see, if we look at our calendar, 101 and 102 are due next Monday, the 20th. Your course orientation was due the 13th. So, we're going to look real quickly at 101 and 102. Unit 1, when you click on that, you will see the unit overview, the learning targets, your essential question, and marketing in a global economy is 1.01. At the top of each page, you will see a list of everything that you have to do. So if it says notebook, that just means you need to make sure you have it to go back and study for the EOC. Notebook is for you. Assignment is graded. So if we go in and we look down, you've got your essential questions. That's what you would need to put in your notebook, your learning targets. And it says notebooks right here as well, criteria for success. Think about it. It's asking you to read. This is like an introduction to this lesson. And then we have our 101 vocabulary that you need to know. I would put that in my notebook for sure. It says, please take notes in your notebook as you go through the following PowerPoint. Now, you are in an online class, so it's up to you to take your notes. I don't grade the notes. I used to do that. But if you're willing to take an online class, you should have to do that without me prompting you. So you're going to take your notes. That's up to you. And you have your first assignment, which is discussion. And if you remember with the discussions, you're the only one in this class as of right now. So the discussions will just be between me and you. But you click here, and you click New Post. And you post your answers to these questions. If Henry Ford thought customers can have any color Model T they wanted as long as it was black, how does that fit into our day? If people try to sell things that way, how would that work? And then you have, this is your chapter book, Marketing the Ultimate Matchmaker. And as you go through the chapter book, you're going to want to copy and paste these questions into a Google Doc, read through the chapter, and answer these questions, and you'll turn them in right here. Social media is another one where you're watching the video and thinking about the questions. It's not an assignment. It is another just for you to help you. So that is 101, and then we'll look at 102. And the same thing at the top of each page. It tells you exactly what you have to do. Notebook, essential questions, criteria for success, your vocabulary. You have your notes, the marketing functions that you need to take. Then we have an ethics case study. You're going to read this and answer the questions in red and post the discussion just like you would for the 1 in 101. Then we have our chapter for that, and again, you will copy these questions, answer them as you go through the notebook. And then you have an assignment that is a grade, and you're going to click on this Google Doc. And you're going to match the function to the situation. That's a grade. And then you have the practice quiz for 101 and 102. So that's what you have to do before next Monday. I hope that you're finding this class interesting and that you are enjoying it thus far. Again, if you need anything, shoot me up with a remind or fill out that form to have me call you at a certain time. Whatever is fine with me. And I will talk with you later.